I haven't met a trader, no, na naging successful by just following a trading signal. Pag may nakilala po kayo na trader na gano'n, na ay successful ako, I follow this guy, di ba, na lahat ng sinasabi niya tumatama. Wala pa ako nakilalang gano'n. Lahat ng trades niya, lahat ng bulong niya pasok. Wala pa ako nakilala. Kaya ho, importante dito, mag-aral, matuto. Ang pinaka-importante dito as you go along, real talk tayo. Alam nyo, baliwala lahat yung mga charts na yan. Even our system, no, kung technicals lang, even our system, this will also fail. What is important is how are you going to manage your risk. Your sizing. How are you going to scale up kung tama yung bet mo? Kasi there will be times na pagpasok mo, bababa yung price. But if tama yung position size mo, hindi ka maliliquidate. So yun po yung importante. As you go along, kung newbie kayo, yes, technical analysis muna by all means. But pag marunong na kayo mag-TA, you will understand na hindi pala lahat ng TA tumatama. So as you go along, as you experience the market, makikita ninyo na it's not just about TA. Napakaliit na percentage para manalo ka dito sa market yung TA. Para consistently tumagal ka dito sa market, maliit na percentage yung TA. Kung gusto nyo tumagal. No? As you go along, experience the market and also yung risk management. Importante. Follow for more Tito Moves!